the purpose of this demonstration is just to illustrate the different aspects of the FAST Workstation, how to set it up together and the various components. We're going to do this demonstrating with the horizontal ring transfer module, but the same principles apply for all modules. So the FAST Workstation was designed first to allow for practice on a flat platform. The platform has these little suction cups on the bottom. You can suction it to any workstation or table. The platform has a little arrow that helps to correspond with these degree numbers on each of the modules. And in the instructions for the module, it'll set up the optimal number to set corresponding to that arrow. There's these removable domes. There's the clear dome, which will snap on and allow a resident to practice with the module inside the clear dome. And then there's the opaque dome for the added challenge, using some sort of visualization device like an arthroscope to complete the modules. So the way the module is set up, there's several different ones. This again is the horizontal ring transfer module. The module can snap in to the workstation. And optimally, if the instructions say to set this up at 0, what you can do is rotate this around. There's these little snap bars here if you need to rotate slowly, or you can just grab the module itself and rotate it down until the set position. All the set positions will be with this blue line linked to this degree marker. Some of the modules also require a base station for added height to optimize the experience, and so you'll put the base in first, and then you can put the module on top of that base to elevate it, and again you can twist it around and snap the workstation on. Some of the modules also come with these accessory kits, and so this is the accessory bead kit for this horizontal ring transfer module. Obviously you can just take these out and load them up as instructed on the instructions.